Welcome students. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject English. Each and every student is having dream to become something in their life. Some children are wanted to become a doctor, engineer, pilot, police, or some children are very curious about natural objects or things like trees, aeroplanes, butterflies, honey, flowers. So they wanted to become like that things. Now here in our poem, the poet is so curious about the lighthouse. So today we are going to learn chapter number 14, I would like to be a lighthouse. Before reading a poem, we will know what is meant by a lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tower building or a tall structure on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of light are thrown out. These beams help ships at sea to navigate, to find their way across the sea. They can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port, or that are the dangerous rocks under the sea, etc. In days of old, modern means of communications like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to peoples. Therefore, the warning signals of lighthouse were very useful to ships. In today's age of radio, TV, the internet, satellite services, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. A lighthouse is a tower. Tower means a tall building. Here you can see it's a tall building, and this lighthouse which are situated on the seashore. At the top of the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of lights are thrown out. Here you can see, here are the big beams and there flashes out the lights. These lights help ships near the coast and warn and guide them, or navigate the ships to find their way across the sea. These lights tell the ships that there is a port nearby, or it is safe to go near the port, or sometimes dangerous rocks under the sea. These warnings and guidelines are given by this lighthouse. In olden days, there were no modern means of communications like radio, mobile, telephone, cell phone, computer, etc. not available. So whatever the signals given by the lighthouse are very useful for ships to navigate in sea. But today there are many facilities are available on ships like radio, TV, satellite, internet, aeroplane to travel across the sea. Now we will learn our poem by reading. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Now we will see the poem by stanza. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. Here the poet says that he would like to be a lighthouse which is scrubbed. Scrub means rub hard, or that area is clean and painted in white color. The poet is like this thing so much, so he once again said that he would like to be a lighthouse. In night we are taking sleep, but lighthouse stay awake all the night. He flash out his lights from its beams all night. So the poet says that he would like to become a lighthouse. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea, I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Here, to keep my eye on means watch carefully. The poet says that the lighthouse keep watch on everything that sails in the coastal area or the area near the sea. So once again the poet says here that I would like to become a lighthouse. He says that all ships are watching me in night because the lighthouse is showing the way or giving guidance to the ships about the coastal area or showing the path or showing dangerous routes to ship. So the ships are always towards the lighthouse, and whatever the indications given by the lighthouse, they are following by the ships. The lighthouse is working like a traffic signals. In traffic, we are always watching towards the traffic signals, and whatever the signals are given by the traffic signals, we followed that. In likewise that the lighthouse is working, and all ships are watching towards the lighthouse. So the poet said that he would like that thing so much, and he loved that the all ships are watching towards the lighthouse. So he wanted to become a lighthouse. In this way, we are learning the poem. Now we will once again revise the difficult words. Here, port. Port means place where ships halt or ships are load or unloading place, that is port. Scrub means rub hard. To keep my eye on means to watch carefully. Question number 1. Answer the following questions with the help of poem. First, what does a lighthouse look like? Answer is, lighthouse is look like all scrubbed and painted in white. Number 2, what does a lighthouse do? Answer, a lighthouse throws out flashes of lights. These beams help ships at sea to navigate. It shows the ships the nearby port. It also shows if there are dangerous rocks under the sea. Number 3, what does a lighthouse watch? Answer is, a lighthouse watches the patch of sea around it in order to help the ships sailing there. Number 4, why the lighthouse is an important tower? Answer, because the lighthouse shows the path to ships in the dark. Number 5, what is the other word for navigate? Answer, in other word navigate means sail. Number 6, what is meaning of port? Answer, a place where ships halt or place where ship load or unload. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with words from the poem and the paragraph. First, dash dash are thrown out from the lighthouse. Answer is, flashes of lights are thrown out from the lighthouse. Answer is, flashes of light. Number 2, the lighthouse helps ships at sea to dash dash. Answer is, the lighthouse helps ships at sea to navigate. Number 3, in the olden days there were no modern means of dash dash. Answer, in olden days there were no modern means of communication. Communication is the answer. Number 4, today we have radio, TV and dash dash to communicate with ships and aeroplanes. Answer, today we have radio, TV, internet and satellite services to communicate with ships and aeroplanes. Answer is, internet and satellite services. Now we have to use much and many. When we use much, whenever noun is non-countable or uncountable, then we use much. For example, water, sand, we can't count, so we use much before that nouns. And use many if the noun is countable. For example, oranges, children, means which things we can count. Before that noun we use many. Now we have to solve the exercise regarding much and many. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with much or many. First, 2 dash dash mangoes. Mangoes we can count, so too many mangoes. Number 2, 2 dash dash milk. Answer is, too much milk. We can't count it, so much milk. Number 3, 2 dash dash trees. We can count trees, so too many trees. Number 4, 2 dash dash homework. We can't count it, so too much homework. Number 5, 2 dash dash food. We can't count food, so too much food. Number 6, 2 dash dash jokes. Jokes we can count, so too many jokes. Number 7, 2 dash dash juice. We can't count juice, so too much juice. 2 dash dash people. We can count the people, so too many peoples. Number 9, 2 dash dash rain. Answer is much, because we can't count the rain. Number 10, two dash dash clouds. We can count the clouds, so too many clouds. Question number 4, give one word for the following. First, tower, building or tall structure on the seashore, that is lighthouse. The tall structure or tower or building which is near the seashore, that is called as lighthouse. Number 2, flashes of lights are thrown out, that are called as big beams. In this way we are solving the exercise of this poem. Thank you.